अब वो काम से भाग नहीं सकता। He can't shirk the work now. He can't shirk the work now. यह कमीज मैली है। This shirt is dirty. This shirt is dirty. उसने तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट भेजा है। He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. यह कमीज फटी हुई है। This shirt is torn. This shirt is torn. तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. किसी से कुछ मत मांगना। Don't ask anybody for anything. Don't ask anybody for anything. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं। We have played cricket. We have played cricket. वह अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी कर चुका है। He has fulfilled his desires. He has fulfilled his desires. अब आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? How is your father now? How is your father now? तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why did not you wake me up? Why did not you wake me up? मैं रात में देर से सोया था। I slept late last night. I slept late last night. तुमने हमेशा मुझे डांटा। You always scolded me. You always scolded me. यह शर्ट कितने की है? What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? कितने दिन लगेंगे? How long will it take? How long will it take? खेलते हुए टांग पर चोट लग गई। I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. उसकी नाक बह रही है। His nose is running. His nose is running. मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I am asking you something. I am asking you something. कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि वो पागल है। Needless to say that he is mad. Needless to say that he is mad. ये फ़ायदे का सौदा नहीं है। It is not worthwhile. It is not worthwhile. क्या वहाँ जाना फ़ायदेमंद है? Is it worthwhile going there? Is it worthwhile going there? वो बहुत देर बाद आया था। He had come after a long. He had come after a long. तुम अब चैन की सांस ले सकते हो। Now you can take a sigh of relief. Now you can take a sigh of relief. तुम मुझे राम की याद दिलाते हो। You remind me of Ram. You remind me of Ram. उसने सोचा और सच कर दिया। He thought and materialized. He thought and materialized. मैं सपने साकार कर दूंगा। I will materialize the dreams. I will materialize the dream. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ। I always stand by you. I always stand by you. वो हकला रहा था। He was stammering. He was stammering. क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? आजकल काम बहुत है। There is hang work pressure these days. There is hang work pressure these days. लड़के चाय पी रहे थे। The boys were taking tea. The boys were taking tea. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रही थी। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. वह आजकल मौज में है। He is enjoying these days. He is enjoying these days. तुम मेज साफ कर रहे थे। You were cleaning the table. You were cleaning the table. हमने शिमला में खूब आनंद लिया। We enjoyed a lot in Shimla. We enjoyed a lot in Shimla. तुम्हारे रूखे व्यवहार से उसे चोट पहुंची है। Your rude behavior has hurt him. Your rude behavior has hurt him. इन सब फाइलों को लेकर आओ। Bring all these files. Bring all these files. मैं कल बाजार जाऊंगा। I will go to market tomorrow. I will go to market tomorrow. ये किताब किसकी है? Whose is this book? Whose is this book? आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी। I did not expect it from you. I did not expect it from you. आपका टीवी बंद है। Your TV is off. Your TV is off. हम रात को सोएंगे। We will sleep at night. We will sleep at night. मैं आज यह पुस्तक पढ़ूंगा। I will read this book today. I will read this book today. दरवाजे पे कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? मैं तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? वह कल स्कूल जा रहा होगा। He will be going to school tomorrow. He will be going to school tomorrow. वह आज आ रहा होगा। He will be coming today. He will be coming today. ग्लास में थोड़ा पानी और डालो। Pour some more water into the glass. Pour some more water into the glass.